school you went to, then later
then
on
secondary school.
secondary school.
Yeah, and they ask you at the time, you get to sort of year 8, year 9,
Okay.
what do you want to do? Because obviously you do work experience,
Yes.
you work placements, and I was like, I want to be a mechanic. And in 1998, 97, 98, the motor industry was still frowned upon to an educational purposes. It was always classed as, well, you're not academically there, so you need to find a trade. Mechanics, builders, plumbers was always a case of, well, you're useless at school. You don't turn up, you do this, you do that. Find a trade. Now, I was one of the intelligent ones at school, and I said, I want to be a mechanic. And the comment I got from my tutor and from the head teacher and from my head of year was, you're too intelligent to be a mechanic. And I was like, but it's what I want to do. And I was like, but they went, but you have got so much potential, you could do anything you want, and you want to sit there
Fixing cars.
covered in oil, covered in crap, fixing cars. They went, that's a dropout job. And then word stuck with me, and I sat there and was like, I don't think it is. I enjoy doing stuff like that. That's what I want to do. Now, I left school with 13 GCSEs, grade A's. I had 5 A stars, 5 A's, 3 B's. School was easy for me.
But you understand
why everything.
You understand why they had that conversation with you from those results they had, yeah.
And now, looking back on it, the motor trade today is not a dropout.
No, it's
not an easy life.
No.
Regardless of whether you've got your own business or you're an apprentice and you're coming into the trade, it's not easy.
It's changing as well, rapidly changing.
It is changing daily.
It's changing, and it also needs the mental IQ to keep up.
Of course it does. I mean, if you, without taking it the wrong way, if you're not brilliant at reading and writing, you'll get through. But to understand the complexity of vehicles, especially reading wiring diagrams, you've got to have something about you.
Yes, you have to. You have to.
You could have any mental illness, autism, ADHD, anything. You can do it, because if you're focused to do it, you'll do it.